Find out how putting this guy above your door will get more customers in your door. Look what just got left on Prepared Marketing's doorstep. Today we are unboxing a Google Beacon. This is a device that outputs a constant strong signal to mobile devices via Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE for short. This particular beacon uses the open beacon format developed by Google called Eddystone. The platform enables you to manage your beacons remotely. It integrates them with Google services such as Google Maps, as advertised on this leaflet, and they help users' devices discover content and information by just being in proximity of it. Alright, here's the setup information leaflet. It looks like the battery switches on as soon as I take it out of the box. How fancy. And I will be able to hide it in a safe spot, and right away I can activate it with the code that was provided on top of the box. Once I register it, I can even manage it from my phone with the Beacon Tools app that Google has developed for iOS and Android. Now let's finally take a look at it. Let me just break this perforation here. I don't care about the packaging, so I'm just going to rip at it. Here we are. And here it is. As you can see, this beacon has a very sleek and ergonomic design. On the back you can see the side with the adhesive strip. Once I peel this off, I can stick it to any surface. Google recommends putting it in the most central part of your business for best results. It definitely is meant to be inconspicuous wherever you decide to place it. It almost blends right into the table here. Proximity-based technology is certainly the future. Can't wait to have customers connect with Prepared Marketing with Project Beacon. Thanks, Google.